Today I'm sharing a super easy and incredibly satisfying skillet casserole made with oats and eggs as the base. It's a simple, high-protein recipe that's perfect for healthy eating, weight loss meals, and quick everyday cooking. So let's jump right in and start preparing our mixture. Into a large mixing bowl, pour in 1 cup of rolled oats. Now crack in 3 fresh eggs. The eggs will bind everything together and make our casserole soft, tender, and beautifully golden once it cooks. Go ahead and sprinkle in a pinch of salt. Just add it to your taste. Next, add 1 tablespoon of honey. If you enjoy a sweeter breakfast or want that gentle, natural sweetness, feel free to add even a bit more. I like to add just a touch of turmeric. Not much, just a small pinch. Pour in 1 cup of warm milk and gently mix everything together. The warm milk helps soften the oats faster, creating a smoother, creamier texture. After mixing, let the bowl sit for about 10 minutes. During this time, the oats will swell, thicken, and turn into a rich batter. This step is what makes the final casserole soft, fluffy, and incredibly comforting. Take 1 ripe, soft avocado. Make sure it's nice and tender to the touch. Peel it, remove the pit, and mash it with a fork until you get a smooth, buttery puree. Avocado works wonderfully in this recipe because it brings natural creaminess, healthy fats, and that rich flavor that makes the whole casserole taste more satisfying and nourishing. What I really love about this recipe is how comforting and balanced it is. You're getting protein from the eggs, fiber from the oats, healthy fats from the avocado, and a touch of natural sweetness, all in one pan. It's the kind of dish you can enjoy for breakfast, brunch, or even a light dinner. To make our mixture even richer and give it that beautiful melt-in-the-mouth finish, let's add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Go ahead and grate about 1 to 2 ounces of your favorite cheese. That amount is just right to add creaminess and flavor without overwhelming the dish. You can use mozzarella for a stretchy, mild finish, cheddar for a sharper taste, or even a mixed cheese blend if you want more character. Grab a large skillet. The bigger, the better. Using a wide pan helps keep the casserole thin enough to cook evenly all the way through. If the layer is too thick, the center might stay too soft, so a spacious skillet really makes a difference. Lightly grease the pan with a bit of oil and let it preheat over low heat. Once the pan is ready, pour in the entire mixture and spread it out evenly. It should settle into a nice, smooth layer. For an extra boost of nutrition, sprinkle some chia seeds over the top. Now cover the skillet with a lid and cook on low heat for about 7 to 9 minutes. Low heat is key here. It allows the casserole to set slowly, giving the eggs time to cook through without burning the bottom. Once the top is firm and not liquid anymore, carefully flip the casserole over. Cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes on the other side. This second cook creates a beautiful golden crust and locks in all the flavors. And that's it! Our skillet casserole is fully cooked and ready to enjoy. Just look at how beautiful it turned out. Golden on the outside, soft and tender on the inside, and packed with nutritious ingredients. This dish brings together everything we added: the creaminess of avocado, the natural sweetness of honey, the protein from the eggs, the fiber-rich oats, and that gentle, cheesy aroma. What I love most is how simple this recipe is. With just 1 bowl and 1 skillet, you get a wholesome, filling meal that works for breakfast, lunch, or even a light dinner. It's perfect for anyone who loves quick, healthy recipes, high-protein meals, and satisfying oat-based dishes.